Today we're going to do an experiment with sound energy. This is one of those 5 types of energy that we're going to be studying in 4th grade, but it's one that isn't commonly measured. It's not easily measured, but I'm going to show you how you can do it at home with just common items that most people have in their home. So all you're going to need is a bowl, maybe a glass bowl or a metal bowl, big bowl though. You're going to need some saran wrap or some other kind of wrapping that can go over the top of it. You're going to need some type of sugar, or I'm using some cupcake toppings, something that's a little bigger than just your little regular sprinkles. And you might need some duct tape only if the saran wrap is not attaching really well to your bowl. Okay, so I've got some pre-cut ones here ready to go. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to recreate an eardrum, right? So sound energy is where vibrations hit something and it causes energy. It creates energy, right? Those waves are a type of energy. And so just like with your ear, we're going to create an eardrum and we're going to see how that energy makes something move, okay? So step 1. We're going to take the saran wrap and we're going to wrap the bowl. You'll want a piece of saran wrap that's at least as wide, a little bit longer or wider than the bowl. Not all pieces of saran wrap are the same. They don't all stick as well. And so I'm definitely going to need some of that tape here. Just going to put it at the edge of the saran wrap, pull it tight, stick it to the bowl, and then grab another one and go on the opposite side. Pull it really tight, really tightly. And get my other pieces and go on the opposite corners here. Again, what you're wanting is a nice tight drum on the top. Okay, final section. Now this isn't perfect. You can see that there are some wrinkles here on the sides. That's going to be okay. If you want to, you can get more tape and pull it even more and try to make it a little more taut, but that's okay. That's okay. Now that you've got your membrane over your eardrum, right, or created your eardrum, now we're going to take the cupcake gems and we're just going to sprinkle a few on here. And this is where the fun goes. You're going to make some noise, and you can make some noise with all kinds of things. You can use pots and pans and bang them together, but I like using just my voice. And so there's some things that you can do to make sounds that might make this vibrate. Some things won't. If it's a really low note or sound, it's probably not going to make as much of a vibration on here because those sound waves are bigger. They're bigger. But if they're smaller, if they're higher pitch, they're going to move faster. And if you close your mouth into an ooh kind of look, it's going to make a bigger vibration there as well. So I'm going to start by just making a bang sound with my voice, okay? Watch the crystals. Now, you also want to make sure, get my piece. You also want to make sure that you're not blowing on here, right? Right? I don't want to blow on that. I want to make the sounds below here so that I know that the sound energy is what's making this move, not the wind that I'm blowing, right? Not a mechanical energy. All right, so I'm going to make a bang sound. Watch the crystals and see if they move. Bang. 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 Okay, so it is moving just a little bit. But I've discovered if I make some sounds and I kind of sing a note, it changes, right? So I'm gonna make a really low ooh sound. Ooh. Now you can see it's moving, right? Watch when I go higher. Ooh. Isn't that cool? That's so awesome. All right, so you can do all kinds of things. I've tried using the sound ah, and it's very different, right? So I did ooh, ah, The ah makes less of a vibration. I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's because the oo makes maybe a straighter line of those sound waves, right? That sound energy. But if I go higher, it makes less vibrations, right? Ah, ah, ah. Nothing. But the oo, ooh, man, the ooh just makes it just jump and dance all over the place. All right, so you guys know enough to do your own experiments with sound energy. You've just made your own little eardrum. Try it out. Try it with different things. Maybe you pound pots and pans together. Maybe you use some of your tools in your dad's garage, like over here. Maybe I can grab a shovel or two and see if just by banging them together, I can make sounds. Well, that doesn't do anything. That doesn't do anything to it, right?
Musical saw.
Saws make sound, right? Okay, maybe this one will make sound. Maybe it'll make it a move. Let's see. I don't think so. I don't think so. So maybe it has something to do with your voice. I'm not sure. I hope you had as much fun as I did doing this experiment. And if you had an idea for making a noise that registered better on your membrane for your eardrum, or if you have another way to measure sound energy that I haven't thought of, go ahead and let me know in the doobly-doo down below, and maybe I can use your idea to make a video in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.